Guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we shall learn about how you can set custom 404 page on your website. So first I want to tell you what is 404 page, 404 page. This page is actually if there is any SEO error in your blog or website. Suppose if you have published any article and this that article is crawled by Google bots, and after that what happens, you think that this article is not good for your website and you delete that article. So what happens, you deleted your article, but the URL that is fetched by Google bots, Google crawlers, uh, this thing is not stopped yet. Means Google crawlers are still crawling your article, your URL, but they are finding nothing. Means your article is on search results. People are coming there, but they are not finding anything. In this case, what happens? The users who are visiting your website are not finding content. So this is a bad thing for your website. This is bad for your website's SEO. In this situation, what you can do, you can set custom 404 page. So whenever someone visit on your deleted URL, so that you can give them instructions to follow to find that article or to explore your blog. So how to set custom 404 page? To set it, if you are using Blogger, so what you have to do, first you have to log in, choose your blog. After that you have to go to the settings, scroll down, and you will find custom 404 page. Just scroll down. Yeah, this is error and redirects. So you are watching, I told you this is a error, this is an error. So this is coming under errors and redirect section. So click here on custom 404 and you can type here your instruction that you want to give to the visitor who is coming to your website. So you can type here like, sorry, uh, sorry, the content you the content you are looking is not available anymore, but you can find similar, you can find similar articles uh, under technology or whatever section uh, is under your article is under whatever section. You have to type that section like similar articles under technology section. Okay, if you are using any article related to technology, so you can type your technology. So technology section of menu bar. So whenever visitor is coming, uh, he will be instructed like this. So there is 90% possibility that visitor will not return back from your site and will go to the menu bar, will find the technology section. So like this you can just type here and save. But there is no error on my side, so I'm not going to save this. Whenever I find this types of error, I will definitely going to save it. So guys, this is the way you can do this. Okay, so that's it. Now if any visitor is coming to your deleted URL, so the visitor will find this message and will just explore your site, will not go back. So this is the main thing, because it is very hard to find visitors, to bring visitors on the site, and if they are coming and they get returned back, then this is the worst thing. So avoid this and make your custom 404 page. So I hope guys you got a very important information today, and I hope you liked it. uh, I will daily post videos related to very important information. So just watch videos daily and subscribe it to get videos notification whenever I post. So just take care and learn and grow. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.